Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track everything in your Shopify store with Ecom Stat. We're going to jump right into it. And this is all about precision analytics and making data-driven decisions. And I'm going to teach you how to do it the exact right way. And there's an old saying in any business, if you don't know your data, you don't know your business. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. And you need to have accurate data and analytics to truly build a successful Shopify brand. And a really popular strategy for Shopify stores is to install the EcomStat Shopify app in your store to track costs, to track sales, to analyze profits, to understand your COGS, and to make data-driven decisions. That's the whole reason that I use Ecom Stat, and that's why you're going to want to use them. The precision analytics. It allows you to make decisions based on true, accurate data, and that's so super important when it comes to actually growing and building your business. If you want to do this, you might run into some pain points, especially on Shopify, because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify reports. That's why you'll install Ecom Stat. It does it all. It consolidates all of your reports, all of your expenses, not just COGS, but literally every expense, recurring expense, marketing, etc. You're going to see your true numbers. And not only that, but the app is super, super easy to use, and it requires no prior technological experience. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be some data analyst. You don't need to have 100 years of experience in Google Analytics. You'll be able to jump right in and use these actionable automated reports and data to help you make those data-driven decisions. And that's the whole reason why this app works so well and why it's such an asset for your business. It provides those precision analytics so you can confidently make data-driven decisions. And this is all done with the Ecom Stat Shopify app. It's what I use, it's what I highly recommend, and you see the link directly below this video. We'll go over the shoulder right now. You see the Ecom Stat app. It's got a perfect 5 out of 5-star review on the review score over here, and it's going to power your growth with centralized analytics. And you see we're going to get product level insights, real-time reporting. You're going to be able to 5x your profits by making those informed, data-driven decisions. And I'll show you the back end. I'll show you just how easy it is to navigate through here and to really understand every single core piece of data about your business. That's why you're going to use EcomStat. Shows you all your marketing channels, your revenue breakdown, your product breakdown. You see number of sales and number of items sold, number of orders, etc., etc. You can get all this inside of the Ecom Stat dashboard. And all you need to do to get set up, you see the install button right over here on this Shopify app. All you need to do is press the install button. It's going to bring you back over into your Shopify store where you're simply going to grant permission for the app to be installed. So you see over here it says install, and the cool part about this is it's now being built and connected to our Shopify store automatically. And there's a really easy to follow wizard so you can integrate everything on here. You're never going to need to use any code. Once you set that all up, you'll be brought over into your dashboard. You're looking at the Ecom Stat dashboard, and you're going to be able to see all of the different important information, data, and analytics as I walk you through the app. And as soon as you load in, you're going to see all of your key metrics, and you'll be able to see this across stores if you have multiple stores, all of your products and expenses this month, total revenue, your profit and loss, right? So many business owners don't have a good grasp even on their profit and loss. This is how much money your business is making. You're always going to be in full control and always have easy access to all of the most important reports, analytics, and data points when it comes to Ecom Stat. And you're seeing again on the homepage here, your dashboard, a little quick glance. It's going to show you your recent expenses and a nice little graph for total monthly expenses, total revenue. And you see this month over month. You see our recent orders. Everything is integrated directly with Shopify. So you're going to have all of your order information. We'll skip down here. You see the stores section. Of course, once you install the app, you'll be able to have your store here connected. You could add multiple stores if you want. Automatically going to pull in all of your different products over here. And I know a lot of you doing print-on-demand dropshipping often have your COGS, the cost of goods sold, the product cost, being pulled directly from Shopify. So you could do that. It's going to automatically figure out how much the product costs you. So you could either enter that information directly from Shopify if you have it in the product page, which most of you have. You could do batch to upload multiple products at once, or you could do manual to just simply edit the price yourself. But again, if you're doing print on demand or something like that, you'll be able to have the automatic COGS here pulled right from Shopify. When it comes to categories, these are going to be your different cost categories. You see what I have: supplier, marketing, ad spend, shipping, subscriptions, right? Maybe if you're doing drop shipping or print on demand, you can create print on demand category as well, or drop shipping category, or really any category that really meets your individual specific business needs. It's really powerful here. Maybe you have some specific vendor. Maybe you have recurring subscription like Shopify, right? You could even set these up to be recurring. You want to go through integrations here. Of course, we're running Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and this is our number one platform for running paid marketing. You'll be able to connect your ads manager over here, so all of that data comes in automatically. I'll show you how you can use that. You'll also be able to connect your TikTok ads and Google ad accounts as well, coming soon. So we have our store connected with our app. We have our products automatically pulled here, all of our Shopify products. We'll use our Shopify setting here for our cost of goods sold. We have our cost categories where we'll add any more that we need. Now we have different types of expenses. And you see there are three different sections here. We have our COGS, cost of goods sold, on the supplier and shipping side. And we can click in over here and take a look. Things like supplier payments, right? We're paying the supplier for a product that we're selling. You see that listed over here. We could have shipping as well. You could add cost of goods sold expenses at any time. Same thing over here for operational expenses, OPEX. You see, you can go and click into any of these and take a look at subscriptions. For example, Shopify subscription, right? It shows you how much you've been billed, how much your monthly subscription fee is, all these other things as well. And of course, super important, our ad spend transactions. Automatically, every single day, it's going to pull in the amount that we spent on our meta ads, and super powerful because we don't need to go back into Facebook ads to pull in any of that information. Just automatically comes through here. So again, you could add your own, in this case, adding cost of goods sold, and easy to add those expenses, whether it's shipping or supplier or ad spend or salaries, right? Maybe you're doing influencer marketing, or you got to send a payment to your influencer. Could all be tracked right inside of expenses. And of course, we want to have as much information tracked as possible so we can see all of our true numbers. You're going to see our revenue get pulled in automatically. These are our Shopify orders, so you see the amount that they purchased and all that good stuff. You can view specific details about the orders. But these two pages right here, campaigns and analytics, this is going to be where you spend most of your time. And if you're inside a Facebook Ads Manager every day to manage and view ads, it's really easy to do it right inside of Ecom Stat. Again, in integrations, you're going to connect your Meta Ads account, and all the information will come through here, like how much money you spent, how many website purchases have been attributed to Facebook ads, what you've made in terms of purchase value. You can see different levels in terms of where are you spending, mostly on Instagram or Facebook or Messenger or Audience Network. Going to show all that information, but most importantly, it's going to show your individual campaigns. And we see all of the core data points that I always talk about, right? We need to understand our cost per purchase and our CPM and our CTR, our click-through rate. And you see over here what we've spent and the results that we've achieved. Right over here, we see we're getting purchases for about $17. Over here, we're getting purchases for about $12. You can click inside any of these. You'll be able to see the actual individual ad sets as well, and you can see everything broken down. So you see this one is doing much better in terms of a click-through rate, almost doubling this one. So we're able to get those insights that we need, and we know that they're trustworthy because all of the data is connected directly into Ecom Stat. So this really replaces a lot of time that you've been spending on your Facebook Ads Manager. Everything here is linked in one. And this brings us to the analytics section. Of course, this is the most important section of Ecom Stat. And the whole idea here is that you're going to have every single piece of data, analytics, and numbers that you need to make truly data-driven decisions. You can have full confidence in the numbers and statistics that are reported here. So you see everything right at the top of the page: customers, products, all-time ad spend, all-time expenses, expenses this month, average CPM, revenue, P&L, ROAS, everything here. And then you see it broken down by category. Remember, we had the different categories here. So you can see, okay, spending a good chunk of my money on supplier, I'm spending only a small portion on ad spend, I'm spending an even smaller portion on subscriptions, and here's shipping, right? So you could see immediately on a visual basis what you're spending money on. You see over here, total store monthly expenses for the past year, showing that as well. Got our customer breakdown to actually show who our customers are, and most importantly, what our return customer rate is. This is super important for any business to get people to come back and buy from you again. So you can see that right in here. We've got all of our ad spend and insights. So not only our ad spend, but how much money we made off of our ads and our ROAS and our total clicks. We could change the date range as well, and we can go in certain date ranges and filter down into other dates, for example, last year, year to date, all time, or just your own date range, really whatever you want. The data will update to show that. And again, this is important because sometimes we want to look at the last year. Sometimes we want to look at trends over the last 7 days or the last 24 hours or whatever it is. We'll be able to do that right in this section. You've got your revenue breakdown. Again, also has a date range selector, so we could change the revenue breakdown date ranges here, and it's showing you all of the important information. Revenue, expenses, average order value, and and you can make this go up. You see our graph over here, and we really focused on increasing our average order value over here in July and August, right? You see that on the map, or on the graph, I should say. Huge benefit, right? You need to understand how your numbers are. You see our average order value was pretty low over here. We said, how can we increase the amount of money we make per customer? Right? We started focusing on that because we saw that this was visually telling us, right, it's pretty low. After we put in some work here, we optimized our average order value. Look how we see it right now. So really powerful there. And again, all visually speaking, allows you to immediately jump into the report. You don't need to be intimidated by it. You don't need to be, kind of overwhelmed by the numbers. It just shows you visually, right? In this case, this is a nice table here. It's going to show you order breakdown, right? Where are we making the most of our money? Right? When are we spending the most on shipping? When are we giving the biggest discounts? We can see it on a monthly basis here. Same thing with our products. Able to see how many times we sold them, what the sales total is, what our COGS are, and our true profit, even our profit margin. So again, needing to understand at all times, let's say, for example, what's your best selling product? Right? Well, you might say this one, or made the most sales, right? But what's your most profitable product? You see over here, this is our most profitable product. So you want to have all this information available, very easy to see. And this is really cool as well. We can come over here and do a year-by-year breakdown. And I'm sorry, not a year-by-year, but an entire year breakdown. You say, okay, let's take a look at April of 2025. Well, we spent $1,500 in COGS. We can see over here we had a supplier payment for $1,500. We had $1,200 in operating expenses. You see we did a photo shoot. Right? We're able to see literally all of the information really quickly and easily. So that's the idea here. All of these different data points will allow you to kind of pinpoint and tweak your strategies. And the best part about EcomStat is you can have full confidence in all of this information, and it's all visually shown to you beautifully right over here on the analytics page. And remember, you also have the campaign page to see everything here, the revenue and expenses as well, to keep all of your numbers up to date. But you could tell a lot about your business just by looking at what's on the screen here. Right, you see the breakdown of all your costs by category, and you see every single important stat when it comes to e-commerce. And Ecom Stat, that's why it's the #1 way to truly understand your business. So that was Ecom Stat. Incredibly powerful, also incredibly easy to use. If you want to get accurate, precision analytics in your store, if you want to make data-driven decisions to really help your store grow based on true and accurate data of what's going on, then you need Ecom Stat. It's a must-have install in your Shopify store. You see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to install that ASAP, no code required. As you saw, super easy to do. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to personally answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, get EcomStat in your store. See the power of all of those data analytics, and I hope this helps you make a ton of money with Shopify. And I'll see you in my next video.